How to fix there is not enough space in this disk to complete this operation error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix could not finish or complete this action or operation because your disk does not have enough space. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is you will need to open up your search and search for create disk partition. So there should be an option here. Let me search for that. Yeah, you will need to search for create and format disk partitions. Open this up. After you're here, you should see all of your disks. Head over to the action option here on the top. Tap on that, and there you will see rescan disks. Tap on rescan disks. It can take some time, so wait for it. After you've done that, check if this fixes your problem. If it does not, you can always search for disk cleanup. This is the second method. Open up your disk cleanup and select the disk you want to clean up. Tap on OK. Then you'll find several options here in this section. Make sure that you select all of those. You'll find a lot. This is just a new disk, so it's empty. So just select that and then tap on OK. Then tap on delete files, and then the cleanup should begin. So what this is doing is this is deleting any unnecessary files on my device. You can do that too. And other than that, you can also delete all the files and folders that you do not need. So some apps that you might not use anymore, you can delete that and stuff like that. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.